What's up, y'all? We back at it again with another YouTube video. Today, I'm gonna show y'all how y'all could make distressings on jeans. It's a pair I've been working on for my custom collection for 2026. I'll see the distressings on it. All you need is one tool. You just need this tool right here. It's called a seam ripper. You can get it for like $6 at Walmart or Amazon. Pretty cheap. You can make custom jeans like this, like the shit that you get from the mall. Subscribe, like the video, go find my Instagram at Hunnidproof X, and let me know how y'all like the video. Let's get into it. Alright, y'all, we got our jeans here. Y'all see I already started on the cutting process. All I did was cut horizontally with the seam ripper. All you have to do is cut it horizontally. And after you cut your piece horizontally, you just want to get your seam ripper. Just start picking the threads out. You can see the threads right here, all aligned. You just pick them out. And just keep doing this. I'll show y'all what I mean. Keep picking them out. The more you do this, the more faster you get at it.
Once again, it is that time.
See, but when it starts, as y'all can see, got everything distressed out now. Just look like these distressings. I just use this tool. And there you go. That's how you get the stretch jeans. So you can see I got the jeans distressed done.
Once again, it is
Let me
that
know,
time.
like the video, subscribe. Let me know what y'all want to see next. Comment down below. And peace out.
Bitch, where my fucking money at, bitch? I don't